Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your Hitachi TV model and firmware. This matters because menus differ. Once done, grab the remote and press Home or Menu to open display settings. If your remote is missing, use the manufacturer app as a remote backup. Next, make sure the source is connected and selected. HDMI 1 versus HDMI 2 matters because each input can store its own aspect ratio. Start at picture or screen settings to find size options so you can change them precisely. You now navigate to picture or display, then find aspect ratio or screen size. Menus may call it scaling. Select a preset like Auto, 16, 9, or 4, 3 to see immediate effect. Auto usually respects broadcast metadata, while 16, 9 forces widescreen. If edges are cropped, choose Zoom Out or just Scan to reveal full image. Use the Zoom/Position controls next to scaling to nudge horizontal and vertical fit. This corrects overscan and keeps subtitles visible without stretching the image. You finish by saving changes and cycling through multiple inputs and content to confirm consistent results. Test live TV, a streaming app, and a Blu-ray player. If the picture still looks off, restore the picture settings to default and reapply your size choice. Sometimes presets lock until reset. If problems persist, check the HDMI cable and confirm the source's output resolution matches the TV's native resolution. And update the TV firmware. Doing so often resolves scaling bugs fast.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.